Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Anvita High 9 by Anvita Group, and the project is located in Kollur, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you this amazing beautiful surrounding, and as you can see I'm standing at the exact location of the project, and this is your marketing office and that right there is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. Now in this video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, the location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's get this video started. Coming over to the project overview, Anvita High 9 is spread across approximately 15 acres of land parcel, and the project consists of 9 residential towers with 30 floors. The total number of units in this project is around 2,300 plus premium residences offering 2 BHK, 3 BHK and exclusive 4 BHK cloud villas. Now coming over to the location part, as you can see I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Kollur, Hyderabad. This is your radial road and this is your entire connectivity. From here you also have quick access to your outer ring road. The nearby connectivity, the outer ring road is only 2 minutes away from here, the financial district being only 10 minutes away and the Wipro circle 15 minutes away. Next, coming over to your amenities part, the project provides you with premium amenities like there is the Skywalk, which is 1.6 kilometer, giving you a panoramic elevated walk connecting to your towers. There are multiple clubhouses for 1 lakh square feet, which also has sports complexes inside with guest room and jacuzzi. There are swimming pools, landscape central courtyard, outdoor gym and many more. Coming over to the super built-up area, as mentioned, the project offers premium residences with approximate super built-up area for 2 BHK 1,355 square feet onwards, 3 BHK is 1,885 square feet to 2,600 square feet. 4 BHK sky villas, which are in larger units, 2,800 to 5,500 square feet. Coming over to your booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So right now the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the real site to show the view, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Anvita High 9 by Anvita Group project, which is located in Kollur, Hyderabad. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.